All right, guys, we got Jamison here is going to do a single box of 2016 Flawless Soccer. Good luck, sir. No studs, no studs, no studs, no studs, no studs. All right, start off with 14 of 25, Andrea Pirlo. Three of 5, Dani Alves, cool piece, Barcelona. Two of 15, autograph, Courtois. Icon signatures, 2 of 25, Frank Lampard. Mexico, Jorge Campos. 15 of 15. Nice, dual diamond patches. I love these cards. Numbered 8 of 10, Schweinsteiger and Haldus, Germany. Tools of the Trade, 1 of 20, Gervinho, Ivory Coast. And move on to our gems. Luis Suarez, the Biter, 1 of 15. Diamond, Giorgio Chiellini, to 20. And we'll finish with 14 of 25, CR7, Cristiano Ronaldo. Bam. Nice hit, man. Definitely better than the other one we did. Congratulations. Hi, buddy. I appreciate it.